This is the gold smuggling case, the sensational gold smuggling case, which involves an actor as well. Now, as far as where the probe is now headed, let's get you the latest update. What we are learning now, as far as Rania Rao, who is investigated and being questioned, the agencies have now said, when it comes to revealing that the Kannada actor Harshvardhani Rania is director of actually 3 companies, and those 3 companies that have been highlighted that were registered between the years of 2020 and 2022, and this is the information that is now coming across as far as when it comes to the involvement allegedly that is now been said, according to the agencies, saying that they are carefully examining the business transaction of these 3 companies, and they have been registered address of the 2 companies that have also been given as Iris Green Private Limited, Kisroda India Private Limited, and Rania Rao Photography. Now, when it comes to sources saying that they are trying to unravel the cross linkages of these companies. So what is also being said that there could be a possible involvement of Rania Rao's mother as well, who is said to be the director, co-director in these 3 companies. Can you give us more details on that front, Neha? Because what are these 3 companies, and what was mainly when it comes to the focus of opening these 3 companies, what did they involve themselves in?
Well, yes, Amita, all the focus right now on Rania Rao's 3 companies over here, the kind of business transactions that were undertaken by these 3 companies as well. Because, you know, we must remember now it's not just the CBI that's probing this. You have the CBI, the ED and the DRI that are jointly probing this. And as far as, you know, her business transactions are concerned, those agencies probing this currently, of course, are going to be looking at, you know, whom was this money really, of course, transferred to, whether any of the proceeds of these 3 business ventures that, you know, she had were possibly used in the process of smuggling in this gold. Were there hawala transactions like the DRI had mentioned in its remand copy of Rania Rao earlier? All of this is also something that's now going to become a very crucial part of the investigation. Now, if we're keeping Rania Rao aside for a second, who were the others also now who were, you know, probably her associates, or who were those others who helped her out, you know, as far as these companies are concerned, which in turn, of course, you know, may point back to the gold smuggling. Well, her mother's links also currently are being looked at, is what we're being told from our sources. With all of this being said, of course, it would really be quite crucial over here to see, you know, because one thing that we do know already, in fact, is something that had come up in court, which was how her diamond company that she had set up and her precious metals company that she had set up, in fact, in Dubai, was being used for the sole process of the gold smuggling. Now, with all of this that's come to the fore, with this new information here that the agencies are currently looking at, we'll really have to wait and see what, you know, fraudulent links, of course, the companies in turn find.
All right. Thank you very much, Neha, for joining in. As far as the central agencies that are involved in the investigation taking place in this sensational gold smuggling case that involves an actor and others as well, according to sources, what we are learning, that they are trying to unravel cross linkages of these 3 companies that were registered by the actor Rania Rao.